About this item box content: Helix 7 CHIRP Mega SI GPS G3 NAV and Fishsinder, Transom mount transducer, mounting hardware, power cable, gimbal mounting bracket and documentation. 1-year warranty. The Helix 7 CHIRP Mega SI GPS G3 Fishsinder features Mega Side Imaging, Mega Down Imaging, Dual Spectrum CHIRP Sonar, AutoChart Live, GPS and Navionics and charts built in. The 7 ultra-wide display gives you ample room to view the many preloaded split-screen view options. Mega Side Imaging, see the world below like never before with crystal clear viewing out to 125 feet on either side of your boat. You'll unlock new details with up to 3x more output than standard side imaging sonar. Mega Down Imaging, get unprecedented underwater clarity with coverage down to 125 feet below your boat. You'll unlock new details with up to 3x more output than standard down imaging sonar. Dual Spectrum CHIRP, before you cast, know what's down there thanks to long, well-defined fish arches, and a clear view of fish holding structure in the bottom. Powered by our proprietary, low-Q CHIRP transducer, Dual Spectrum offers 2 ways to search: wide mode for maximum coverage and narrow mode for maximum detail. Switch fire sonar, take command of how your sonar returns appear. With 2 display modes, you can add or remove detail, account for water depth, temperature, and turbulence. Humminbird base map built in. Our enhanced standard base map provides you with a clear view of underwater terrain and surrounding points of interest so you can fish and navigate with total confidence. Identify buoys, day markers, hazards, marinas, contours, depth markers and much, much more. Includes charts of more than 10,000 lakes, plus coastal coverage for the U.S. See more product details.